Hi everybody, it's Adam with HeartValveSurgery.com, and today we're in Los Angeles, and I'm thrilled to be joined by Dr. Joanna Chikwe, who is the founding chair of cardiac surgery at Cedars-Sinai Medical Center. Dr. Chikwe, it is great to see you again.
Great to see you, Adam.
Yeah, it's wonderful to be here in your office, and we're going to use this time to answer a patient question, Dr. Chikwe. This one came in from Sandra, and she asks, "Hi Adam, I have a bicuspid aortic valve with aortic regurgitation and an aneurysm. I've been told I need a replacement, but I'm learning about valve sparing techniques on your website. Is valve sparing the same thing as an aortic valve repair? And what are the outcomes for valve sparing procedures?"
So that's a great question. It's one of my favorite operations. Generally, you don't have to repair the valve leaflets. Oftentimes, patients have no aortic leak, and what you're doing is repairing the aneurysm around the valve. And what are the outcomes? Phenomenal safety record, great durability, patients that should expect to live a decade, 2 decades without any need for further surgery on their aorta.
That's great to learn about those outcomes. And I'm curious, Dr. Chikwe, when you're in the operating room and you actually see a bicuspid aortic valve, but you go in thinking, I'm just going to fix the aorta issue, do you ever say, wow, this is actually different than what I saw on the echo, and now we do have to do something to address the valve?
I think really rarely. Usually you've got a pretty good idea from the echo before if there's calcium or reduced leaflet mobility that's going to make it difficult to preserve that valve. And you always try and repair it, and sometimes you get a result that makes you confident that's not going to need a replacement. The key thing is for a younger patient who's got essentially normal leaflets and an aneurysm, it's really great if we can keep that valve, and that's a valve sparing root replacement.
And the final question people are always curious to know, patients, is how do you fix an aneurysm? What do you do to ensure blood flows and I'm not at risk for a dissection or a tear?
So the goal is to replace as much of the abnormal aorta as we can with a tube that's made of Dacron. It's a polyester, and that isn't going to stretch, and the more of the aorta that we can replace at one time, the less the chances of developing an aneurysm in the future.
Well, Dr. Chikwe, on behalf of all the patients at HeartValveSurgery.com, patients all over the world, thanks for everything you are doing here at Cedars-Sinai in Los Angeles.
Thank you, Adam.
Hi, everybody, it's Adam. I hope you enjoyed that video. And don't forget, you can always subscribe to our YouTube channel, watch the next 2 educational videos coming up on your screen, or click the blue button to visit HeartValveSurgery.com.